with the short axis probe placement to visualize the biceps tendon in the bicipital groove. Patient position is as you see here, with the patient is seated upright. The elbow is flexed at 90 degrees and the palm is turned up in just a relaxed supination. We're going to hold the probe between our thumb and index finger, and using the other fingers to stabilize the probe, or place the probe in a short axis orientation in an anterior to posterior plane at the proximal portion of the shoulder. And first, what we want to visualize as we read our image from left to right will be the long convexity of the greater tuberosity of the humerus and the dip into the bicipital groove, and then on the right side of the image is the lesser tuberosity of humerus. And as we redirect the sound beam by toggling the probe, we visualize the bright hyperechoic biceps tendon well situated in the bicipital groove. After obtaining the short axis view of the biceps tendon, we'll take the probe, place it in the short axis orientation, find the original view, and simply spin the probe 90 degrees into longitudinal orientation. And then we will first elongate the cortical margin of the humerus, the bright, thicker line at the bottom of the image, all the way across our image. And from this point, we will translate the probe medially to bring the probe over the bicipital groove to visualize the biceps tendon fiber. So now we're going to translate the probe medially very slowly. You'll notice the cortical margin of the humerus drops deeper, and now the biceps tendon fibers come into view very nicely following the contour of the humeral cortex, reading the image from left to right or cephalad to caudal.